Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a topic that's near and dear to many of your hearts and wallets, student loan debt. Let's be honest, it's about as much fun as a root canal, but unfortunately, it's something millions of Americans are dealing with. The good news? There's hope. We're diving headfirst into the wild world of student loan forgiveness. We'll cover who qualifies, how much sweet relief you can get, and most importantly, how to actually apply. So grab your reading glasses and maybe a stiff drink, because things are about to get informative up in here. First things first, let's talk about the different types of student loan forgiveness out there. Navigating the world of student loans can be overwhelming, but understanding your options is the first step towards financial freedom. Think of them like ice cream flavors. Just as there are countless ice cream flavors to suit every taste, there are various loan forgiveness programs designed to meet different needs and circumstances. There's something for everyone, whether you're a teacher, a public servant, or just someone who's been diligently paying off their loans for what feels like a million years. Each program is tailored to help specific groups of people, making it easier to find the right fit for your situation. We've got teacher loan forgiveness for those molding young minds. This program is perfect for educators who have dedicated their careers to shaping the future generation, offering significant relief after a certain number of years in service. Public service loan. Forgiveness for the heroes keeping our communities running. This includes firefighters, healthcare workers, police officers, and other public servants who work tirelessly to ensure our safety and well-being. And income-driven repayment forgiveness for folks who need a payment plan that actually aligns with reality. This program adjusts your monthly payments based on your income and family size, making it more manageable to stay on top of your loans. And that's not all. There's also forgiveness available for folks with disabilities, ensuring that those who face additional challenges aren't burdened by insurmountable debt. Those whose schools close down unexpectedly, talk about adding insult to injury, can also find relief. This program helps students who were left in the lurch when their institutions shut down, providing a way to move forward without the weight of those loans, and those who were misled by their institutions. If you were promised one thing and received another, there's a program to help you get back on track and find justice. We'll get into the nitty-gritty of each program in a bit, but for now, just know that you've got options, people. No matter your situation, there's likely a forgiveness program that can help you find some financial relief and peace of mind. Now, you might have heard whispers about new student loan relief programs. And you'd be right. The Biden administration has been cooking up some plans to help borrowers, particularly those affected by pesky interest accumulation. One plan, aptly named Plan B, because who needs creative names when you're talking about billions of dollars, aims to throw a lifeline to millions of borrowers. There's also another program in the works that's focused on folks at risk of defaulting on their loans. But hold your horses. Before you start planning that debt-free vacation, remember that these programs are still under review and might face some legal hurdles. We'll keep you updated on the latest developments, but as with anything government-related, buckle up for a bumpy ride. All right, let's break down these forgiveness programs in more detail. Understanding these programs can be a game-changer for many of you struggling with student loan debt. So let's dive right in and see what options are available. We'll start with teacher loan forgiveness, because who doesn't love a good deal for educators? Teachers play such a crucial role in shaping our future, and it's only fair they get some financial relief. If you're a teacher working in a low-income school for 5 consecutive years, you could be eligible to have up to $17,500 of your loan balance forgiven. This is a significant amount that can really make a difference in your financial situation. That's a whole lot of red pens and Apple-themed decorations you could buy with that money. Imagine the relief of not having to worry about a chunk of your student loans while you continue to inspire and educate the next generation. Next up, we have Public Service Loan Forgiveness, or PSLF for short. This program is a beacon of hope for many working in public service sectors. This program is designed for folks working in public service jobs, like government, nonprofits, and the military. These are the people who keep our society running smoothly, and often work tirelessly for the public good. Work full-time for a qualifying employer, make 120 on-time payments, that's 10 years, folks, and bam! Your remaining loan balance could be forgiven. It's a long-term commitment, but the payoff is worth it. The remaining balance of your loans could be forgiven. Imagine the freedom of being debt-free after a decade of service. It's a reward for your dedication and hard work. And for those of you who need a more flexible payment plan, we have income-driven repayment forgiveness. This program is tailored to help those whose income might not be as high, making it easier to manage monthly payments. These plans adjust your monthly payments based on your income and family size, making them much more manageable. It's a great option for those who might have fluctuating incomes or larger families to support. After 20 or 25 years of making payments, whatever balance is left on your loans could be forgiven. This long-term plan ensures that even if it takes a while, there's light at the end of the tunnel. So, whether you're a teacher, a public servant, or someone needing a flexible repayment plan, there's a forgiveness program out there that could help you achieve financial freedom. Section 5. Applying for forgiveness. Don't fear the paperwork. Now we know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, John, but applying for these programs probably involves mountains of paperwork and dealing with soul-crushing bureaucracy. And you're not entirely wrong. But don't despair, because we're here to guide you through the process. First things first, head over to StudentAid.gov. This website is your one-stop shop for all things student loans, including forgiveness programs. Each program has specific eligibility requirements and application forms, so make sure you read everything carefully and gather all the necessary documentation. Don't be afraid to reach out to your loan servicer or a financial advisor if you need help with the application process. They can answer your questions, clarify any confusion, and ensure you're on the right track. Section 6. Pro Tips. Mastering the forgiveness game. Before we move on, here are a few pro tips to help you navigate the world of student loan forgiveness like a champion. These tips are designed to give you the upper hand and ensure you make the most out of the available programs. First, if you have older EFL or Perkins loans, consider consolidating them into the direct loan program before June 30th, 2024. This is a crucial step because it can open up a wider range of forgiveness options that might not be available otherwise. This step can make you eligible for more forgiveness options and potentially lower your interest rates. Lower interest rates mean you pay less over time, which can save you a significant amount of money. Second, stay informed. The world of student loans is constantly changing, with new programs, updates, and announcements popping up all the time. It's essential to stay on top of these changes to take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. Make it a habit to check StudentAid.gov regularly for the latest news and information. This website is a treasure trove of resources and updates that can help you stay ahead of the curve. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. The more you know about your options, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and potentially save yourself thousands of dollars in the long run. Being proactive and informed can make a world of difference in your financial future. Additionally, consider attending financial workshops or webinars that focus on student loans and forgiveness programs. These events can provide valuable insights and tips from experts in the field. Networking with others who are in the same boat can also be incredibly beneficial. Sharing experiences and strategies can help you discover new ways to manage your loans effectively. Finally, set clear financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Having a roadmap can keep you focused and motivated as you work towards loan forgiveness and financial freedom. By following these pro tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering the forgiveness game and achieving financial success. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to a debt-free future. Section 7. Breaking news, Student Loan Saga continues. And now, for a quick news update on the ongoing student loan saga. As we mentioned earlier, the Biden administration is working on new relief programs, but they've been facing some legal challenges. Remember that Plan B we talked about? Well, it's currently tied up in court, and its fate remains uncertain. The same goes for the other program aimed at borrowers at risk of default. It's still under review, and there's no guarantee it will see the light of day. We'll keep you posted on any major developments. But in the meantime, don't let this news discourage you from exploring your existing forgiveness options. Section 8. Need help? You've got a friend in StudentAid.gov. We know that navigating the world of student loans can be overwhelming. There's a lot of information to process, and it's easy to feel lost and confused. But don't worry, you don't have to do this alone. StudentAid.gov is a fantastic resource with a wealth of information on forgiveness programs, repayment options, and everything in between. They also have a helpful customer service team that can answer your questions and provide guidance. So if you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out to StudentAid.gov. They're there to help you make sense of this complex landscape and find the best path forward for your financial future. Section 9, Debt-Free Dreams, One Step at a Time. And that's a wrap on tonight's deep dive into student loan forgiveness. We know it's a lot to take in, but the most important takeaway is this: there's hope. Whether you're eligible for immediate forgiveness or need to explore different repayment options, there are ways to manage your student loan debt and work towards a brighter financial future. Stay informed, stay proactive, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. And remember, even small steps towards managing your debt can make a big difference in the long run. From all of us here at the show, we're rooting for you. Now go forth and conquer those student loans.